Can you use TikTok for marketing? Stick around to find out how. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. So over the last week, I started using TikTok. I was under the impression that TikTok was more of a platform and social network that was mainly targeted at kids. And so far, I'm happily surprised that I was actually wrong. A lot of people seem to be comparing TikTok to how Instagram was at the beginning. When Instagram first started, it was really easy for everybody to get a following and everybody would subscribe or follow. But the thing is that it was really easy back then, and now it's really hard to get subscribers or followers on Instagram. And so far, I'm 6 days into using TikTok. I have 674 followers and 1,631 likes from the videos. So the strategy that I was using was I go to other people that are in the same niche as me. One thing that I discovered about TikTok is that once I get to 1,000 followers, I'm going to be able to turn this link that I have here into a clickable link. Right now, you can't see it on the computer version, but if you go through the phone app, you could actually either put your Instagram or you could put your YouTube link just right on here, and people could click it and it will take them right to your YouTube channel or your Instagram page or profile. And one of the things is that you could tell people, hey, this is it's a great way that I discovered that you could actually give like a teaser for your YouTube video. For instance, this YouTube video, I could do a teaser for it and say, hey, go to my YouTube channel and check out the whole video. Because you could make videos that are 15 seconds, you can make videos that are 60 seconds or anywhere really in between. You could shave it and edit it within the app. Or you could actually record videos and upload them through your computer or through your phone that you've recorded ahead of time. You do a call to action. It's the same structure as any other video. You have your hook story offer. You hook somebody with something at the very beginning of your video, and then you tell a story, and then you make an offer. It could be an offer for something that's free. It could say, click on my YouTube channel or my Instagram, or click on my link and check out my offer. And one thing that I have learned is, like, I was getting into my head right at the beginning and going like, how am I gonna, compete with other people? If you're getting value out of this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every single time that I upload a new video. I started to learn about hashtags, and you could take a look at this. This is an account. This is one of the people that I follow that he started his account. I'm gonna click his first video, more recent one. See, this is a more recent one actually. 6 days ago, and he had 2 from earlier, but 27.2 thousand views in 6 days, which is really good. But you just have to so I can go to this video and look at the hashtags. So he has credit, cash, make money, entrepreneur. These are a little bit more, you could also you might not be able to rank for them right away, but you could say, click on it and see what other people are ranking for these same hashtags, which I think is a really valuable thing that we could figure out. So if you don't feel like you're going to be able to rank for these particular hashtags, go to somebody else's. And so like this one, it's got, maybe you want to target somebody that's not getting 25,000 at first, maybe this 1,500 or 2,500, how to build. So you click on here, you could look at these hashtags, social media marketing, click on that, and you could see other people that are making videos based off that hashtag or that are using that hashtag. And so you don't need to worry about running out of ideas, which I think is amazing, because I could just record the same, like my version of one of these videos, and it's completely original by that point. I'm myself and I have my own personality, and I could just, I could say the same thing as somebody else from another video on YouTube, and it's unique to me because I'm me. So for instance, I just click on that, and social media marketing is the hashtag. So this is the video, and you can see another thing that you could do is you can go and see what other hashtags those people that are using that hashtag are using besides the person that you originally found, which I think is great. And you can't see it through the computer unless there's some way that I don't know. If you know a way, let me know in the comments or shoot me a message, and I'm really interested to know myself. But when you punch these hashtags into the TikTok app, it actually tells you how many people have used that hashtag so far. So if you're a new person using the platform, you could target ones that are just a few thousand, or a few 100,000, and then as you grow you could add, target some that have 1 million, and then some that have a few million, and then hundreds of, as you grow and grow and grow, and you have more reach. My strategy so far has been to post a couple different varieties of things. Mainly I picked 3 categories, made like personal development and targeting like a pitch for affiliate program, which I really believe in, and that's never promote something you don't believe in. And then a couple other ones that were like value. I was following the same structure that I follow when I post on Facebook, which is results, value, and lifestyle. So results could be you talking about your offer. That could be your pitch, your hook story offer. And then you could have value, which could just be, for instance, I did a value, what I considered like, there's how to make a lead magnet. It's just a quick walkthrough on how to make a lead magnet, and I split it into 2 parts because I also have a YouTube video that basically tells the same thing. So I have my YouTube video version, and then so any YouTube video that I make, including this one, I can make a TikTok post that will create another form of traffic that will bring people to my YouTube channel. And then also I could use it to get to a link, or if I so decide, I could start up Instagram. And it gives you a chance to be creative, and you could take a little bit more of a chance and just shoot something real quick. So, I just wanted to talk to you guys about this because I wanted to take you along my journey, and it's always great to keep yourself accountable by letting people know what you're doing, and I'll let you know how it's going for me, and maybe some of the things that I learned I could share with you, and we could figure it out together. If you're using TikTok for fun or for business, let me know in the comments. Let me know exactly how you're using it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.